has been about 1 month since I started my journey on developing a drone business in 2020, and the overall journey that I have undertaken is something that I'll never forget. During this time period, I would buy my drone, crash it, test it, and fly it, as well as grow my YouTube channel from 0 to 1 subscriber, as well as get 40 views on one video. So let's talk about it. So what I learned about growing a YouTube channel is that you need to have a passion for what you're doing and be consistent every single day about this channel and what it means. What the channel means to me is being able to pursue my passion, my goal in developing a career in drone technology and services, so it may service the world and give more information about this technology to the public, so they can feel that it's not a technology of the future, but is the technology for the people. And with this, I plan to grow this channel, grow my experience with drones, and just dream big in everything I do from now on.